Hello guys, good evening or good morning to you. In this short video I'll be showing you how you can link up your bitgetwallet app to the tomarket event, the tomarketairdrop. And to do this, you need to download bitgetwallet. You will find the download link in the video description and also the comment section. So to proceed, you go to the tomarketbot app, you make sure you are on this page, then you click on wallet, then you click on connect wallet, then you say next. It is going to take you straight to the bitgetwallet if you are using Android or iOS devices, after which you click on approve and then you return to website, and that's it. The connection is done. It's a very simple process, doesn't take much of your time, and makes you eligible for tomarket reward. Also, be sure to deposit $1 ton in the next 12 hours to be eligible for a big reward from tomarket. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.